Hey guys, this is Kelsey from Frankly Natural Beauty, and today we're going to be making cashmere soap.
Well, we actually already made it, remember? Sorry about the cars going by. We're outside trying to enjoy the day. Today is a beautiful day here in Western Washington, and it's in January actually. And we already made this beautiful soap, but we didn't have time. We were so busy, right, Kels?
Right.
We had a lot of fun going to craft markets and craft fairs, and bazaars, holiday bazaars. We sold a lot of soap. This one was our last one, and we still have a lot of it. We made quite a bit of it. So if you guys want to buy it, always come and get it in our Etsy shop or message us if you want to get a bar. But anyway, this is a really nice soap. You want to see how we made the nice swirls over here. And what we used coconut milk and oatmeal. And as you know, those are very good things for your skin, especially the oatmeal. If you have sensitive skin, the coconut milk makes it really nice and silky when you use it. It's beautiful. All right, so let's go and make this beautiful soap. And we'll see you in a second. Sorry about the cars. There's so many cars going by. We should have done this inside, but we want to enjoy the sun. All right, so we're ready to go.
Let's get soaping!
Hi everyone, this is Kathy, and I am sorry about my voice. It sounds not very good because I have a cold. I'm getting over it. It's about almost a week to have this cold, and hopefully it's going to go away pretty soon. It's going to be a simple soap. It's inspired by the Cashmere fragrance oil by Brambleberry. And it's going to be very simple. We're going to have the bottom is going to be kind of brown, and I'm going to do some swirls with a light brown, kind of whitish. Actually, I'm going to leave it white because this fragrance oil actually discolors to brown. So we're going to do that, and I'm going to add some bentonite clay and some coconut milk in my mix. And I have my usual recipe with palm oil, olive oil, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, and castor oil. Okay, all good stuff for your skin. Very, very nice. All right, so like I said, sorry about my voice. So I'm gonna blend first the coconut oil. Not the coconut. Okay, I'm gonna blend first the coconut milk and the bentonite clay in here. And then we're going to color it and come back. So let me do this first with my oils. And I almost forgot, actually, we're going to use a little bit of sodium lactate that makes the soap nice and solid and not mushy. And we're going to do that too. We're going to put it. I like to put it in my oils instead of my lye. I know some people put it in the lye, but I like it in the oils. Okay, so we have 5 pounds of oil. I'm only using 3 teaspoons of sodium lactate. Also, it's very good for your skin because it's a humectant. Very good for your skin. Good for moisture. I'm gonna mix this up a little bit. I'm gonna blend it. And I'm going to come back in a second. Okay, now I'm just going to put my bentonite clay in there too and do the same thing. Just drop it in here. I'm going to blend it with the oils and the coconut milk. And then we're going to do the lye at the end. Some people put it before, some people put it after. I like putting it before, that's the way I like to do it. Alright, so there we go. And now we're gonna use the sodium hydroxide, commonly called lye. Like I said, there is no soap without lye. So we're just gonna do this slowly. Okay, so now I'm gonna add my fragrance oil, the Cashmere fragrance oil, and Kelsey's gonna tell us what it smells like, because I really don't know how to describe it. It smells really, really nice. I love it. It's like a fruity, not very floral to me, but very fruity and fresh. What do you think, Kelsey? What do you think?
It has notes of blueberry, white freesia, wild grape, pomegranate, lily, magnolia, green vines, cashmere, and violet.
Wow, nice. Very nice. It smells, well, I guess a little bit of floral, but mostly fruity. I love it. Like, really fresh. Like, almost like a, not apple-y, but, not apple, but kind of like fall. But a fresh, nice, fresh fall scent, don't you think? Okay, so what I did here, I mixed it in the beautiful cashmere fragrance oil, and now I'm gonna put some of this in a little bucket because I want to do a little bit of the top. I want it to be white, and it's gonna discolor to beigey kind of color, and the rest of it's gonna be a little bit of brown. So I want to use some titanium dioxide here. Gonna mix this up a little bit, and this is gonna be our base. Okay, I made a mistake. Okay, not a mistake, a happy accident. What I did, I wanted this to be no white. I wanted this to be brown, but that's okay. It's okay because we're gonna do the opposite. We'll see. It's not a big deal. Actually, I think it's gonna look better. What do you think, Kelsey?
Yeah, I think so too.
We got a little top brown, and the bottom is gonna be white. I think it's a better soap. It was a good mistake, actually. I think that's gonna be better. Okay. It's gonna be a kind of a beigey, you know, kind of like a cream. Probably gonna discolor to a really light brown. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I am gonna take care of the brown. A little brown here, and it's not gonna be super brown either. I'm just gonna put in this little bucket here, a little pitcher here. I'm gonna make it brown. What I have in here, I have brown oxide and cappuccino mica from Berry. Both of them, we bought it from them. And really nice colors. Kind of like I wanted to make like a warm kind of, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so now I'm gonna move this mess, and we're gonna take my mold. My beautiful wooden mold. This is my second soap I'm making on this beautiful mold here that I got from Etsy. I love it. If you guys are interested to know where I got it from, you want to know, I will put a link in the description below. When we're done, let me mix my batter a little bit here. And there we go. Sorry about the noise. Now let's do this. Okay, this guy is gonna be right in here. Wow, look at that. Isn't that pretty? It looks like cream, huh, Kelsey? And I'm gonna smack this down a little bit because it needs to be done so we have no bubbles inside. Okay, so we're gonna see you in a second, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna do kind of like a drop swirl in the middle. Right over here, and I'm going really high because I want it to be all the way in there. And then I'm going to smack it down so it can, go in there. And then I'm going to swirl it a little bit so we have a design inside. And then I'm going to smack it down one more time. We're going to schmuck it. Ready to Kelsey? Yeah, okay, we're going to see you in a second. Yeah, now I'm going to put this on top. I was going to. I'm going to try to level it out a little bit and clean it up. I'm just putting some of the creamy soap on top. I'm going to texturize it a little bit. Kind of like, like a creamy, nice, comfortable. Because this is all about comfort, winter comfort. That's what Brambleberry was talking about. They were talking about when they came out with this. It's part of their collection. What is it called, Kelsey?
The Hugya collection.
That's right. And it's Scandinavian, Norwegian. What is it? Do you remember, Kelsey?
It's, I believe it's Danish.
Okay, so I have a question for you guys before we go. Of course, we're going to come back and we're going to cut this in a couple days. But I have a question. We had bath bombs. A lot of my friends bought our bath bombs. We sold quite a few at our market, a couple bazaar that we went in markets. And somebody asked if we could make a video about how we make our bath bombs. Would you like to know how we do it? Would you like to see it? We can make a video about it. If you do, can you please comment and let us know if you want us to do that, to show you how we make our bath bombs. It will be fun to watch, but it's up to you. Okay, so we're gonna spray this with 91% alcohol, and then we're gonna come back in about 2 days, and we're gonna cut it and see what's going on inside. Alright, so see you in a little bit. And I wanted to give you guys really close view of the soap, and here it is, and it looks like chocolate pudding, doesn't it, with creamy, I don't know, looks like fudge. Christmas fudge! It is really beautiful, but it doesn't smell like fudge. It smells more like fruity, and I don't know how to explain it to you guys. Like Kelsey said, it has a fruity notes, and what else, Kelsey?
Violet.
And violet is very, very nice smell. I think it could be even it's not that too fruity to me. It could be also unisex soap. I don't think this is just for ladies. Okay, so see you guys in a little bit, and we're gonna cut this really soon. Adios. Hasta mañana. And there it is, our cashmere soap. And that's what the loaf looks like. So we're gonna cut it tonight
and see what's inside. So let's go and do that.
Alright, so this is our cut cashmere soap. It's our version of the cashmere soap that a lot of people are doing now. And this is what it looks like. So, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, please feel free to subscribe. We would really appreciate that.
Follow us on Instagram and like our page on Facebook. We post a lot of stuff there. So if you want to know more about what we're doing all the time, please do that. Follow us on Instagram and like our Facebook page if you want to know more about what we do. Also, if you subscribe to our channel, we can make more video, and because that's like showing the support, and we will love that. Okay, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you later and in the next video.
Alright, bye.